Hey, I'm Fish. We're heading to a Lowe's Home Depot area. I need a 1/2-inch opening of a conduit box for a GFCI. I already got the piping and the pieces, 2 pieces, and I'm good to go. I was going to scooter over, but I'm taking the car instead. I have a hammer drill. I got the bit. I need to get a hole through the wall, and I believe I have to auger drill through metal as well. I could have checked out these pieces. They cost like $10. Run the light, baby. Run it. Just to make that left turn, they love to beat the light. Oh, welcome to Lawless City, Cement City, baby. The sun's up. You're able to catch a beautiful shot right over here. We did that on the last vlog. Not going fast enough for you. They just love going fast. So here we have the police hanging. Or are they hanging and they are taking care of business? We're swinging in to Lowe's. We're about a minute early. Let's walk on in, get what we need, do our work today before the rain hits. No sense of getting anything in here if they're out of stock on one item that I need. I'm going to go to Home Depot, where I need to get the 1/2-inch pieces. They're all sold out just like that. No stock, no nothing. They got a kit for $42, and you want a piece part, it's $42. So, make it real complicated if asked. We'll go to Home Depot instead. I'll probably walk out with my hands in my pocket instead. I walked out with everything I needed. Just like piece parting things together. I wanted outdoor piping. I got regular PVC piping. That's all I could find in a small Home Depot. But I bought the kit. The kit was worth buying. I swear the box was a little smaller in the back, half the size, but maybe that's my imagination. I spend like an hour just to get to a place and get what I need that takes 2 minutes. Well, there was something here. There's an ambulance and now 3 police cars. Let's go, lights change. Let's move. Get to where we need to be at. Gas went down. 419, 425, and 425. Well, I hope breakfast cost $4.25. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I'm out of here.